Ladies and gentlemen, LeConte has requested to see the trainer.
You need to lay down.
Oh, lie down.
Yeah.
How you feel?
Hang on. Wait 1 second. Hang on here. Check. I think you're checking smart. You need to check his eyes.
Okay.
We need 3 minutes. We need 3 minutes. 3 minutes. Cheers.
Ladies and gentlemen, LeConte is taking a 3-minute medical timeout.
Oh my God. You're all right.
Treatment complete.